I'm Brad from Tsunami. Going to take a few minutes and talk about supercooling and how that relates to dust collector performance. What is supercooling? Supercooling is when you have compressed air at a certain pressure, and when it runs through your high flow valves, your dust collector, your pulse jet valves, you have a rapid expansion of air. And when you have a rapid expansion of air, that creates a cooling effect. And what happens is if you have compressed air that has humidity in it, like right now there's humidity in this room I'm in, but if it rapidly cooled, the air temperature is going to drop and that humidity is going to change to more of a fog or a liquid. And when that blows up either inside your socks or your filter bags or your cartridges, that creates a moist lining, and what happens is the caking that happens tends to stick. And if you're using bag to helic, where you're relying on a pressure drop to cycle your pulse valves, they are going to cycle more often because you always have this pressure drop. What you really want is when those valves cycle is you want that cake layer to come off efficiently. But when it's damp and humid or oily, it will stick to the bag, and that causes you many thousands of dollars per year in additional compressed air because your valves are going to be cycling. A very simple way to show cooling, this is super dry air in this can. It's a little dust collector, and if I show this here, we're about 78 degrees here, and I'm just going to squeeze the trigger here just a little bit, and it's going to show what happens in just a matter of a few seconds is how this temperature, it went down to 64, 68 degrees. So that rapidly cooled. We didn't see any fog coming out of here because this is super dry air, but just that little bit of expansion that happened in this compressed air in here showed that rapid cooling. So in wrapping up, the Tsunami regenerative drying system for bag houses or dust collectors, we lower the dew point of the air. We dry the air so dry that when that air expands out the valves as it cycles, you still get the cooling effect, but there's no humidity that's in the air, so you don't get any fog or moisture that condenses out. So this is the ultimate solution to eliminate that rapid expansion or that supercooling effect in your dust collecting system.